YouTube, what's up? Me and Relic here. Today we're working on the Vaydor again. I think we're gonna start to pull the interior. What do you think?
Yeah, so this is gonna be episode 4.
All right, let's get started. Alright, you guys, we're going to start with pulling this front seats out. It'll be 14 millimeters. So you just lean the seat forward. Unzip those two bolts out.
Is it already on reverse?
It's the bottom trigger. It's a two-way trigger.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that makes it a lot easier.
Alright, so now what we're going to do, toss all this on the floor, lean these back so we can unplug the seats. It kind of has to pry backwards and then up. Basically, I already got that side loose.
Okay.
So, basically,
There we go.
that should just come in.
Nice and easy. Push those through.
There you go.
Boom. Beautiful.
That bad boy out of here.
You got it.
Okay, this rear seat is going to be. Alright, so you'll need to pop this up, this cloth, just pop those clips out.
You got it.
And then we gotta find where it's. Alright. Right there. it is. Okay.
Awesome.
So now we're gonna see what's holding us in. I think it's just these two brackets here and here.
14 millimeter?
Yeah, because that's its hinges.
Sweet.
So we're gonna take that and
It looks like there's
that,
one thing
and then
in.
that's the cable release for the.
Oh, gotcha.
Let me see that
Yep,
popper
go for
right
it.
there. Pop this out here. There it is. One popper. And then take that out. Take that out. What? Bada boom, bada bing.
What am I popping out? This guy over here?
That one and this one over here.
Nice.
There's one. That's it.
There it is.
Alright. Grab the pad and yank it out. There you go. Alright. Okay, there's an airbag here, so you gotta be careful with that.
Oh, duly noted. I would have never known that.
You don't want to puncture it.
Yeah.
That's why you gotta pull it all so you don't cut through it and explode. Okay. Take the seat belts off. Both
14
sides.
millimeter or?
Yeah, it should be the 14 that's right behind you. Right there.
This guy.
Alright, you guys, so this is what you want to be careful. This is all your SRS airbag gas system here in these pipes. So biggest thing is you want to make sure you take these out kind of gently so they don't explode on you. So get everything unplugged. We're going to take this off. There's going to be a plug up here for the airbag itself, and there's one down here, and we'll get it unplugged and then it'll be safe to remove. Alright, here we go. One side curtain airbag.
What's that?
That is your airbag, so.
Oh, so we gotta hold on to this.
And yank it off the wall. The whole thing, yeah. And then you'll have to separate these two so you can get your seatbelt out.
Okay.
There you go. Grab up your seatbelt that way, there you go. And on this back one, you gotta pull it down and then you're gonna have to unbolt the seatbelt. So.
Oh, I see.
Just kind of wiggle it out, and the harness is inside that foam or right above it.
I see.
Out there it is.
Yeah, unclip that.
Just pinch up there. Yeah, there we go. All right, so that's that. Now let's pop this down because we don't care about it. See if there's a screws in here anywhere. I don't see any. That's crap. There you folks have the camera. Alright you guys, it's been almost an hour on the dot. And let's get this last piece out here. Okay. It's been about an hour on a dot, and let's see our progress so far. We have no headliner, no rears, completely gutted, almost ready to cut. Center console needs to still come out, and then as for the dashboard, I think we're gonna leave as much of it together for as long as we can, and then we'll go from there.